Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Klarna password. First, open the Klarna app or go to the website. Then, click on the More option in the bottom right corner and then tap Sign in or Login. Then, click Continue. Next, enter the email address that is linked to your Klarna account. Once you're done using the Gmail, go ahead and in the password page and then tap Forgot Password. Then enter the email address linked to your Klarna account. Klarna will send you a password reset link or code to your email, and then open the email app and follow the instructions to create a new password and choose a strong password that you can remember. Once the password is changed, go back to the app and log in using your new password. That's how you reset your Klarna password.